Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Crochet channel. I'm so glad to be with you. I'm going to give you the idea of this online course in this video and explain how we're going to do across the other tutorials. So in each video I'm going to discuss one stitch, one of the basic 3 stitches: single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. And of course I'm going to show you how to do the stitch with its variation and how to read the pattern and the chart or the diagram for this stitch. And in another video I am going to apply this stitch with certain pattern to make a scarf or cowl or neck warmer. So by the end of this course you will be able to do the stitch, read the pattern and read the diagram as well. Then on the next day I'm going to meet you on my Facebook group or the other group for any discussion or any problem that you face, and I'm going to answer all your questions on these groups. So get ready and let's start.